TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be another non-phone customer service job where you're responding to emails, a little bit of social media. We're going to dive all into it. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, I've shared this company quite a few times before on this channel, but they are hiring again. The company is Sticker Mule. I have seen ads running on YouTube for them. I don't know about regular TV. I myself watch a lot of YouTube. They do have 64 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a full-time remote customer service agent. Now, they're looking for somebody to work the 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time shift. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But Sticker Mule is a brand that helps other companies grow. I think you can make like merchandise, shirts, and things like that and have Sticker Mule print them for your businesses. And they are basically looking for somebody to just handle all the customer support. Now, they do say they offer flexibility in your workday, but they are looking for somebody to work a specific shift here. But you're going to be responsible for just providing those customers a world-class support, delivering fast, reliable, and efficient service. They only offer support through email and social media, so you do have to have outstanding writing skills, but because of that, this is all going to be non-phone. You'll just respond to customers through email using a conversational and helpful tone, propose edits and additions to the FAQs or internal knowledge base when you notice something can be added, and you'll suggest opportunities to the product team to make the customers happy. Now, they don't require a lot of experience, just 1 year customer service experience. And remember, customer service can be anything where you've served another person. So babysitting, cashiering, being a server in a restaurant, all of those account. You do have to have great writing skills and, of course, experience working remotely. Pay, though, is $23.54 an hour, and they do offer a $500 sign-on bonus plus a standard benefit package that includes health and dental, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say a thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.